So friends, in this video, we are going to talk about automorphic number in Java. So what is automorphic number in Java? So a number is called a automorphic number if and only if the number of a given number ends with the same number itself. What does it mean? So for example, if we find a square of 25, it ends with 25 itself. If we find a square of 76, it ends with the 76 itself. So we can say a number is called an automorphic number if and only if the square of a given number ends with the same number itself. So guys, example of automorphic numbers are 5, 6, 36, and these are the numbers that ends with the number itself when we find its square. So if we how to implement this automorphic number in Java. So first of all, let's call a class. We are making a class automorphic number, and in this class we are going to make a static Boolean function which returns a true or false value. So if the number is automorphic, it will return true, and if the number is not automorphic, it will return false. So first of all, we have to find a square of a number because we are going to compare square large digit number with the number itself, and then we'll run a while loop till the number gets 0, and then we are going to create a if function, and we are going to divide the number by 10. So use this percentage keyword is used to find the remainder of the number if we divide by 10. So when we divide any number by 10, we usually get a number or n number, fine, or a reminder. If we divide a number by 10, we usually get a reminder, which is the last number of a digit. So we are comparing the number with the square last digit number. So by dividing 10, we are going to get the last digit of the square as well. So if we compare these two numbers, if not equal, then it will return false. And after this condition, we are going to divide number by 10 and square divide by 10 in each loop. Fine, in each loop run. So now you just need to return true, because if this conditions doesn't satisfy, definitely this condition satisfy, the else condition will be satisfied. And if the else condition satisfy, if the number is equal to the number, the square of a number, the last digit of the number, square of number, then will return true. So this is the main function. So you can try this out, this function. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.